Forging is a processing method that uses forging machinery to apply pressure to metal, like to prod, asbestos deformation to obtain forgings, with certain mechanical properties, certain shapes and sizes. Forging and stamping is one of the two major components. Forging can eliminate defects such as loose, as cast, during the smelting process and optimize the M-equal structure. At the same time, due to the preservation of complete metal flow lines, the mechanical properties of forgings are generally better than castings of the same material for the important parts of related machinery, with high load and severe working conditions. In addition to simpler shapes that can be rolled profiles or welded parts, forgings are mostly used. Free forging refers to the processing method of forgings that use simple general purpose tools or directly Ly external force to the blend between the upper and lower angles of the forging equipment to deform the blend to obtain the required geometric shape and internal quality. Forgings produced by the free forging method are called free forgings. Free forging is mainly based on forgings with small batches. Forging equipment such as forging hammers and hydraulic presses are used to form the blank-styled and qualified forgings. The basic procedures of free forging include offsetting, drawing, punching, cutting, bending, twisting, shifting and forging. Free forging adopts hot forging method according to the movement mode of the forging die. Forging can be divided into swing rolling, swing swivel forging, roll forging, cross wedge rolling, ring rolling and cross rolling, pendulum rolling, pendulum rotary forging and ring rolling. Can also be processed by precision forging in order to improve the utilization rate of materials. Roll forging and cross rolling can be used as a pre-process processing of slender materials. Rotary forging, like free forging, is also partially formed. Its advantage is that it can be formed easier when the forging force is smaller compared with the C of the forging. In this forging method, including free forging, the material extends from the vicinity of the die surface to the free surface during processing. Therefore, it is difficult to ensure accuracy. Therefore, the movement direction of the forging die and the switching process can be controlled by a computer. The forging force of the company can obtain products with complex shapes and high precision, such as forgings such as steam turbine blades, with a variety of production and large sizes. Forging materials are mainly carbon steel and alloy steel with various compositions. Cutting is a commonly used cutting method. With the development of flame cutting, arc cutting and other technologies, the proportion of mechanical cutting is decreasing, but it is still an indispensable cutting method in process equipment manufacturing. Mechanical cutting includes cutting, sawing, band saw, circular saw, grinding wheel saw, etc. Cutting, milling and so on. Shearing is mainly used for the cutting of steel plates. Sawing is mainly used for the cutting of various section steels and pipes. Milling is mainly used for cutting precision parts and weld grooves. Its main working part is composed of two shearing blades at a certain angle. The lower shearing blade is horizontally fixed on the work table of the shearing machine, and the steel plate to be cut is placed on it. The upper cutting blade is obliquely fixed on the beam wall, and the beam is connected with a set of eccentric mechanisms, and a wide separator are installed between the flywheel.